Welcome to Rudolph and the Shiny Star. One chilly night at the North Pole, Santa noticed that something was missing.
Oh no! The North Star has vanished.
Rudolph, the brave reindeer with the glowing red nose, heard Santa and stepped forward. "Santa, I'll find the North Star for you," said Rudolph, his nose glowing brighter with determination. Santa smiled.
Thank you, Rudolph. With your bright nose, you'll be able to find the way.
What is Rudolph's special ability? He can fly. He has a glowing red nose. Or he can make it snow. He has a glowing red nose is a correct answer. Rudolph set off into the snowy night, his nose lighting up the path ahead. As he walked, he met Twinkle, a snow fairy with sparkling wings.
"Hello, Rudolph. I can help you find the North Star,"
said Twinkle with a warm smile. "Thank you, Twinkle. Let's go together," said Rudolph, his nose glowing brighter. Who joined Rudolph on this journey? Rudolph was joined by a snow fairy named Twinkle. True or false? The answer is true.
"The North Star might be shining from up there."
Twinkle pointed to a tall mountain. Rudolph climbed the mountain, his nose lighting the way through the deep snow. When he reached the top, Rudolph looked around, but the North Star wasn't there.
"Don't worry, Rudolph. Let's try looking in the forest,"
Twinkle encouraged. Where did Twinkle suggest they look next? The forest, the lake, or the North Pole workshop? The forest is the correct answer. Rudolph and Twinkle entered the forest, where snow-covered trees sparkled like stars. Suddenly, a bright glow appeared through the trees. Could it be the North Star? Rudolph ran towards the light, his heart pounding with excitement. There, in a small clearing, was the North Star, shining bright and beautiful. What did Rudolph find in the clearing? Rudolph found the North Star shining in the clearing. True or false? The answer is true.
"You are as bright as I am. Thank you for finding me, Rudolph,"
said the North Star warmly. "I'm glad I could help. Now Santa will have your light to guide him." Rudolph smiled. The North Star floated up into the sky, twinkling brightly once again. As Rudolph and Twinkle returned to the North Pole, they knew their courage had saved Christmas.